Very good evening to you. What a joy it is to be able to come to you even through the song this evening. And I believe that the song will minister grace to you, will minister strength to you. You could be in a very difficult hour right now in your life. You could be going through some heartaches, some situations where you do not know where you're going to get the answer from. But let me tell you, there is an answer that you can get from your God. The Bible says there is nothing too difficult for our God. We serve a big God, and His name is Jesus, and He can solve any problem in your life. There is no problem too big, God cannot solve it. There is no mountain too tall, He cannot move it. There is no storm too dark, He cannot calm it. There is no sorrow too deep, He cannot soothe it. And if He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know, my brother, that He will carry you. And if He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know, my sister, that He will carry you. There is no problem too big, God cannot solve it. There is no mountain too tall, He cannot move it. There is no storm too dark, God cannot calm it. There is no sorrow too deep, He cannot soothe it. And if He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know, my brother, that He will carry you. And if He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know, my sister, that He will carry you. He said, come unto me, all who are weary, and I will give you rest. He said, come unto me, all that are weary, and I will give you rest. And if He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know,